Grain mill attachment achieved the perfect texture for wheat, pastry, coffee, and baby food with 9 customized settings. Jams and exclusive smooth grade hosted with demand versatility. Crush and dry grain like wheat, oats, melt, barley, and even coffee beans into fresh flour or meal. Warning: avoid oily and the most eat peanut, soybean, sunflower seed to protect the grain mill for kitchen head from clogging and the caution perfect for gluten-free baking, homemade carols or brewing. Get restaurant quality result at home. Craft from premium cast aluminum alloy floor grinder kitchen and the mixer outer top faster grind. It is very speed ensure safe food contact and the wet heavy daily use whatever grinding hard kernel or Fabius green meat and the meat grinder attachment. Water filter countertop. Intelligent display for precincts monitoring. The reserve osmosis water filter feature an intelligent screen that allows you to monitor water quality, display total dissolved solid, and his function like filter life monitoring, water volume setting, cleaning system, and the filter reset. These is a osmosis system mounted top utilizing the each stage of filtration, and the purification process that transform into pure healthy drinking water, ensuring the safety of you and your family. The water filter system has 4:1 pure to drain ratio to reduces waste. Moreover, the water wastewater can be retained for various household uses such as watering plant and then mopping the floor. These are filtration system is built for convenience with zero installation. Just place the removable kettle and water tray plug turn into a power. Adjustable baby one shoulder carrier. Our baby helps carrier supporting multiple poses adapting to different stages of your baby growth. Its convenient adjustment feature allow it to grow with your child into toddlerhood. Miss Wisdom Baby Sling make an excellent gift for you and babies. This baby half breed sling is certified Hub Healthy by the International Hip Dysphasia Institute, ensuring the natural position of your little one. It is ergonomic design allow baby to grow up safely and healthy. These baby sling feature two safety bucklets at the front and the back, along with safety ropes to ensure the sling firmness. These designs provide double protection for babies. The baby sleepy vet can be expanded and warped around your newborn, provided the wiper support that make your baby calm and secure. Our infant holder sling. Indoor electric grill. These grills produces less smoke than traditional indoor grills, so you can enjoy perfectly great food year round without having to brave the cold weather. They achieve that perfectly smoke-free grilling indoor. The water tray must be filled with water between the minimum and the maximum line. The water instantly cool the grease that fall on it, preventing it from the sticking to the tray and from cooking. The temperature on the grill varies by the heat zone, so you can cook anything and everything just the way you like. With the extra large cooking surface, you can cook multiple food at the same time as a complete meal. Control knob goes from the warm to sear, which allowed for cooking a variety of food: grill, veggies, burgers, steak, chicken, fish, and more. Easy to clean non-stick surface ensure meal will slide off the grill and into your plate with ease. The sample for easy cleaning grill top and the non-stick watery tray are removable and dishwasher safe. Fly repellent paint fan. The safe tabletop for fan. The fly fan uses physical method to keep pesky fly from your food and drink safe from both kids and pets. The fly fan ensures to worry-free gathering with friends and family, allowing you to release clean and the fresh food. The fan blade feature an immense holographic strip pattern that bend and refract light as they spin, creating and memorizing effect. It confuses and deters the flies, thereby effectively safeguarding your food and beverages from contamination. The fly fan are made of premium soft touch material. Our fly and blade combine flexible and the durability to keep safe the blood immediately held upon the contact with one object to another object. One object removed Bread slicer for homemade bread. These bread slicers feature an extra wide slot that comfortable accommodate larger bread varieties, included homemade sourdough round, and the bigoted enjoy the perfectly sliced bread no matter the size or shape. Equipped with pieces cutting guide, the slices ensure uniform slices for every time whenever you are preparing toast for breakfast or slices for sandwiches. Achieve the dill thickness effortlessly. Durable material construction craft from high quality durable material. These bread slicers offer long lasting performance. Classic look, their sturdy construction ensure withstand regular use while landing touch of elegance to your kitchen. The smooth wooden surface is easy to wipe clean and slicer. Simple design allows for straightforward maintenance. Keep your slicer hygiene and ready for the next baking session. Portable LED light raise box. Lightweight is super slim, lift tapped. Thickness only zero point 0.2, about 5 mm. Over lamination included black frame. Visual working area. Simply keep pressing the touch switch for several seconds until you get the desired brightness you want. It is a gradual dimming effect. Light tracing box with energy efficient flicker and the free LED lamp provide a perfectly even illustrated surface trace light board come with one pieces USB power cable. It is not rechargeable, so it will be worked by plug if any computer power bank or USB adapter easily. Ideal for stencilling 2D animation, clear calligraphy, embossing, scapebooking, tattoo, transforming, sketching, drawing, scheming, saving projects, stained glass quality, etc. You can adjust the brightness of the light up to tracing pad in 5 different levels, presenting the switch button to meet your various needs such as tracing, drawing, vanilla wedding, sketching, 2D animation, stained glass projects, light and film negative viewing with an evenly illuminated surface for 6500K energy efficient flaking free soft LED light. The LED light pad for winning perfect long for